All right, we're over at Big Homie's garage. See what he has going on here. It's over here in the workshop. Got my heads. Bad news. Got some damage here. So that's gonna have to get filled up with weld and then fixed up, but should be able to get that done. There's another spot here on this one. So you start cleaning it up, started showing itself. So Big Homie put an LS motor in his car. Got the sick Holly intake. Put big old turbo. Got my K member, my motor sitting over there under the bag. So this is where the magic happens. This is Big Homie's coupe. Get the welds, everything. Just switching, going to the dark side. Cleaning up the engine bay right now. So getting it smoothed up. We're getting it painted while the motor's out. But nice car. CALYPSO green. Weld wheels. Doesn't get much better than this, guys. There's a big old turbo sitting back there. So look out for this one, 2019. Gonna be on the streets and at the track. So, alright guys, just want to check in, show you what we're up to. See you next time.